Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can uninstall XAMPP server in Linux. So here you can see currently I have already installed XAMPP server and it is running. So let's launch terminal and I found the solution here. You can see this answer at code pane, remove XAMPP from Linux in Ubuntu, or you can use these commands in any other Linux distribution. I am using Ubuntu. So let me show you. You can use these commands. As you can see, the first command to restart XAMPP server. This one will restart XAMPP server, and this will stop XAMPP server. Let me stop all the services. Now all services has been stopped. Now if I refresh this page, you can see all services has been stopped. Now if we want to restart or restart, we can use this command. So now our XAMPP services are running. So now let's see how we can uninstall XAMPP server. So we can use these three different commands to uninstall XAMPP server. So here you can see the first command. So let's try this one. If I copy this command and open terminal, I can right click and paste, or I can use Ctrl plus Shift plus V keyboard shortcut. Now if I hit enter, let's see what happens. Now here you can see a message. Do you want to uninstall XAMPP server and all of its modules? If you want to uninstall, click yes, otherwise choose no. Let's click no. And if we go back, we have second command. Let's try this one. Copy this one and use Ctrl plus Shift plus V keyboard shortcut. Okay, here you can see an error, bash cd lampp uninstall no such file or directory. Okay, I think we need to add space here. No, this is not working. So let's try the third one. Copy, Ctrl Shift V, and you can see no, the third one is also not working. Let me show you the screenshot if we are correct. Sudo rm and our page sudo space rm space dash r then dash opt and lampp. So as you can see, the second and third command is not working, but the first command was working. So let's try the first command again. In Linux you can use keyboard arrow keys to go back to previous commands. So this is the first command. So if I hit enter, now I should see the option. Yes, now you can see question, do you want to uninstall XAMPP and all of its modules? Yes, I want to uninstall. So now I'm going to select yes, and now you can see it is uninstalling XAMPP. So this might take some time. Yes, no, okay, it is uninstalling all files, and now uninstallation is complete. Okay, that was quick. Let's go back and refresh this page. Okay, let's try to start XAMPP services. Start XAMPP services. No, so you can see sudo opt lampp command not found. So let's go back. If we go to computers, file system, opt lampp, we can see htdocs directory, but we cannot see other files. So under opt you can see lampp folder and some other files, and this is how you can easily uninstall XAMPP server from Linux. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos about Linux.